Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering the 3DS XL off and removing external screws. This prevents shorting. Once done, pry the shell gently to access the battery and ribbon cables. Do not yank them. You'll remove the battery and label each screw by location so reassembly is painless. Make sure to keep small parts in a tray and use a truing driver where applicable. This prevents stripped screws. Take photos as you go to document cable routing and screw positions for later. Now you remove the midplate and separate the inner frame. This exposes hinges and display ribbons. You'll release ribbon connectors by flipping their retention tabs, then transfer ribbons into the new shell's connectors. Ensure they seat fully to avoid display issues. Once aligned, position the new inner frame and loosely install screws, then cycle the hinge to confirm smooth movement. If everything looks aligned, tighten screws incrementally to maintain even pressure and prevent warping of the plastic. Finish by reconnecting the battery and peripheral cables, then replace the back cover and secure screws. You should power on and immediately test screens, buttons, cameras, and Wi-Fi. This lets you catch problems before final torque. If something fails, power down and reopen the shell. Most issues stem from misshated ribbon cables or a single loose screw. Make sure to reseat ribbons and verify connectors' retention tabs are locked. Once confirmed, reassemble fully and perform a final.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.